Before you buy any airbrush makeup kit, there's one thing no product page tells you. Most of them look the same online, but the real difference is in how they actually perform on your skin. I'm talking about clogging, uneven spray, or that plastic finish nobody wants. Let's fix that. Product number 1, CR Pen Mini Airbrush Pen. First up is the CR Pen Mini Airbrush Pen at just $26.91. It's tiny, battery-powered, and runs at 3.7 volts with a super quiet 36 decibel output. If you want something portable for quick touch-ups or light makeup, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's small enough to fit in your purse and doesn't need an outlet, so you can reapply on the go. It's great for sheer coverage or blending highlighter. But now some people complained about inconsistent spray patterns and short battery life. Here's the thing though, it's not built for full face application or heavy use. It's more of a spot touch tool. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, travel-sized option for subtle makeup. Skip this one if you need full coverage or plan to use it daily. For the price, it's decent, but don't expect salon-level results. Product number 2, Gachir Pro Airbrush Kit. Now, if the CR Pen's lack of power bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Gachir Airbrush Kit at $85.87 is a full compressor system with 40 psi high pressure and 3 nozzle sizes, 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, and 0.5 mm. That means you can go from fine detailing to broad coverage without switching tools. The dual action trigger lets you control both air and pigment separately, so you waste less product and get smoother blends. It's ideal for makeup, cake decorating, or even model painting. But here's the catch. At 1.62 pounds and nearly 2 inches thick, it's not exactly pocket-friendly. Some users also said the cleaning process is tedious if you don't do it right after use. Still, the included cleaning kit and oil-water separator help a lot. This is perfect for you if you want professional-grade control and plan to use it regularly. Skip this one if you need something ultra-portable or hate maintenance. For serious users, it's a solid investment. Product number 3, CBV Cordless Airbrush. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for everyday makeup lovers. The CBV Cordless Airbrush Kit is only $24.45, runs on a 5-volt battery, and hits up to 48 psi, higher than the Gachir despite the lower price. It's lightweight pink and comes with a 0.3 mm nozzle that's perfect for smooth foundation application. The 3 pressure settings let you adjust for delicate areas like around the eyes or full face coverage. And it's so quiet at 35 decibels you won't wake anyone up. But here's the issue. The battery life is short and it can overheat if used continuously for more than 10 minutes. Some buyers also reported that the paint cup leaks if tilted too much. Still, for quick makeup sessions, it's surprisingly effective. This is perfect for you if you want a cheap, rechargeable kit for home use. Skip this one if you need long runtime or heavy-duty performance. It's a steal for the price, just don't push it too hard. Product number 4, AIUEO Magic Minerals Foundation. Now we're switching gears. This isn't a kit with a compressor, but a ready-to-spray airbrush foundation at $16.71. The AIUEO Magic Minerals formula is alcohol-free, lightweight, and gives full coverage with a natural matte finish. It's designed for mature skin so it doesn't settle into fine lines. The aerosol spray gives a fine mist that blends easily, and it comes with a brush and puff. But here's the downside. It's not refillable, and once it's empty, you can't reuse the bottle. Some users also said the spray nozzle clogs if not cleaned properly, and there's no way to adjust pressure. Still, for a no-fuss, one-step makeup solution, it's convenient. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, mess-free foundation that looks airbrushed without the equipment. Skip this one if you prefer buildable coverage or hate single-use packaging. It's a great travel option, but not eco-friendly. Product number 5, LZXL UKGIR Airbrush Foundation Set. Finally, the LZXL UKGIR set at $21.86 includes a moisturizing primer, airbrush foundation in cream form, and 2 sponges. Unlike spray bottles, this one uses manual application. You spray the foundation onto a brush, then blend with the sponge. The formula is hydrating, great for normal skin, and gives a soft matte finish. But here's the thing, it's not truly airbrushed unless you have a separate airbrush tool. Some users expected a spray mechanism and were disappointed. Also, the shade range is limited, only beige is listed. Still, the texture is smooth and buildable. This is perfect for you if you want a full coverage, skin-friendly foundation with primer included. Skip this one if you're looking for a real airbrush machine or need multiple shades. It's a good value for the bundle, just don't expect automated spraying. So which one should you pick? If you want portability, go with CR Pen or CBV. For pro-level control, Gachir wins. Need instant airbrush effect, AIUEO's spray foundation works. And if you want a complete skincare makeup hybrid, LZXLUKGIR delivers. Each has trade-offs, none are perfect, but one of these will fit your routine. Let me know which you're trying in the comments.